Hello, my name is Cassandra Bolaji and I'm a hairstylist and makeup artist. Today we'll be showing you a simple nighttime routine to make sure you wake up looking rejuvenated. To do this, I usually use an exfoliating product. Today I'll be using the COA Skincare Black Soap. I'll also be using the COA Blemish Control Lotion to moisturize her face. And for the body, I'll go for an Astral Body Wash. It's very moisturizing in addition with the Astral Intensive Moisture. To start off, we'll open up our pores by using warm water. Then we'll add a little bit of water into the black soap and gently moisturize it into her face. And this will help remove any dead skin or residue from the day. Again, with some warm water, we'll now remove this after about 5 minutes. Towel dry her face. And it's time to moisturize. I'll be using the Blemish Control Face Lotion to do this. And gently massage it into her face. And it's that simple. Now your face is ready, let's move on to the body. I would recommend the Astral Body Wash. It's moisturizing and contains sunflower oil. It's great for the skin, it's moisturizing. Sunflower oil helps to reduce the effect of marks on your skin and also gives a radiant glow to your body. And for moisturizer, I'll go for the Astral Body Lotion. It's intensive moisturizer and it will keep your skin plump and ready for the working day the next morning. This is a perfect nighttime routine to ensure your skin is prepared for the next working day.